Alright, listen up. There are three ways to get this discount, but only one of them makes sense. You could go through the official sign-up page, but they hide the promo button. Or you can just use the direct link thatwhy.com/go/cloudways. I highly recommend the direct link because it auto-applies the code. But if you like doing things the hard way, watch closely. If you're going through the official site, fill in your details, but do not hit submit yet. See, the promo field is hidden. You have to click on Got a promo code to open it. Type in CLOUDS2022. You're looking for that green check mark on the right. If you don't see the green tick, you don't get the money. Simple as that. Agree to the terms, hit sign up, and let the dashboard load. You'll see flexible and autonomous. Stick to flexible. Give your application and server a name. It doesn't matter what you call it. For the specs, don't overthink this. Select DigitalOcean. I highly recommend the $14 premium plan. It is the absolute sweet spot for performance versus price. Now the money part. Go to your account, then payment and address. Right now, your funds show zero because we haven't verified you're human yet. You need to add a credit card. And here's a little insider secret. If you're in India or Europe, the taxes can be painful. Technically, if you were to list your address as a US address, the system might just drop those taxes to zero. I'm not telling you to do it, I'm just telling you how their code works. Do with that what you will. Once you verify the card, check your funds tab. Boom, the credit is there. If you're on a tight budget and need extra help, drop us an email at bestoffer@thatwhy.com. We've got your back. Now go build something cool.